Good morning, everybody. I am currently at Walgreens and I'm here to do some awesome couponing this week. As far as I know, there's not a lot of great deals. There is some freebies, there is some Ibotta deals. We're gonna definitely hit those. There is a rumor, I don't know if it's 100% sure, but there is a rumor that the Walgreens booklet might be ending this month. So that means basically you clip it to your card like normal, but it's a one-time use. And that's one thing I don't like because there's 4 weeks in a month and sometimes you want to do those deals every single week. So that's the only thing. I don't know if it's true. I think it is. But we got that going on. And then there is a rumor that summer clearance might be happening September 6th. 90% off. Don't come at me if it's not right. Walgreens likes to trick us all the time and change things on us, so we don't know. But those are the two main things that I've known for stuff. But let's go inside, have some fun. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love helping people save some money. But what I do is I go in the store, walk through the store, show you guys deals that I may or may not do. I try to show as many deals as possible. I try to show a variety of deals because everybody is in a different financial situation and needs different things. So I'm going to definitely go ahead and do that. And then I come back and show you guys my haul. Any questions, comments, concerns, even questions that I have for you guys, I like to discuss it with everything. So let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So here is an Ibotta deal if you need an Ibotta deal. We have the Werther's Originals chocolate covered caramels, 2 for $5. You'll end up paying just $5 for it, but you would submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents, so you get 2 of them back for $1.50 back with Ibotta, making it $3.25 or just $1.75 each. So here's an awesome deal that you guys can do with the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Now, we did receive, these are $2.99 this week on sale, but we did receive a $1.50 off digital coupon. We also did receive a printable $1.50 coupon from coupons.com. It was a limit of 1 to print, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. It was a limit of 1 to print, but you can go to different browsers, different phone numbers to print some more off. But anyways, you guys would use pay $2.99, or you get this for $2.99. You use that $1.50 off digital coupon. You would just get this for $1.49, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5. This comes out to be a 51-cent moneymaker. Now, if you are really into Arm & Hammer toothpaste without the digital coupon or the printable coupon, it just comes out to be 99 cents. Which is still a pretty good deal because I know some people really like this toothpaste, so 99 cents is still a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Burt's Bees Kids toothpaste for $3.49. The adults is $4.99. But there was a deal last week where you get a $5 register reward when you purchase 3 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to buy 3 of them for $3.49. We're gonna buy 4 of them at $3.49, and we're gonna use 2 of these 5 off of 2 insert coupons from our P&G that we received last week. You would pay $3.96 for 4 of them. But if you don't get the register rewards, there is a $1 rebate that you get back with Ibotta, making it a 4-cent moneymaker for 4 of them. Otherwise it'll be a 2-cent moneymaker if you just get the 2. But we're gonna chance it. Welcome to Walgreens, you guys. But we're gonna go and chance it and see if that register reward prints from buying 2 of them. Then it ends up becoming a $5.04 moneymaker. So here we have the Colgate toothpaste for $3.99. I scanned a bunch of them. This one's ringing up for the digital coupon. I don't know why, but anyways, make sure you guys are getting the same flavor. It is a flavor because it is something you put in your mouth, but make sure you guys are getting the same flavor for the toothpaste for the digital to work. But these are $3.99. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just pay $3.98 for 2 of them, but then you get a $4 register reward when you buy the 2, making them both absolutely for free. So here we have the Crest toothpaste. If you guys want to go ahead and do this deal, these are $3. We currently have a 2 off of 2 insert coupon from our P&G. You would end up just paying $4, but when you welcome to Walgreens. But when you purchase the 2 of them, you get a $3 register reward, making both of them just $1.50 each. Here's another deal that we can do is you can get 3 of the toothbrushes for $3, or you can get 3 of the Crest toothpaste for $3. Now we currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Now with our digitals, you have to get 3 of the same exact item, but however you want to do it, I think the toothbrush deal is a better deal. But anyways, you will get 3 toothbrushes or 3 tubes of toothpaste. You will end up just paying, I forgot to write my price down. You will end up just paying $4 for the 3 of them, but then you get a $3 registry reward when you purchase 2, but you still gotta buy the 3 to get the coupon. So it ends up becoming just $1 or 33 cents each, so pretty decent deal. So here we have the Huggies diapers, 2 for $21. Now we currently have a $2 off digital coupon that you will use. You'll pay $19 for 2 of them, but you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. Now it does say 32 count or larger, which the only one that is 32 count is the number 1, so I didn't scan the rest of them, but laundry detergent department. Anyways, you guys, I could scan it to see if anything else would work. I didn't check it out until, okay, it does not work, but I guess it's for the number 1s. So you guys would get that $4 back with Ibotta for number 1s. But welcome to Walgreens. Now you gotta welcome to Walgreens. But there's a Shopkick deal where you get 1,100 kicks times 2. So 1,100 kicks is $4.40. So you'll get $8.80 back with Shopkicks alone. I don't know if there's any deals or anything else going on with this as far as I can find in the ad, but you'll get 2 of these packages for just $6.20 or $3.10 each. So here we have Hallmark cards. My store goes all the way back with Hallmark cards. Now there is a deal with Hallmark where if you buy 3 Hallmark cards, you get a $5 in-store reward. So you get a $5 register reward, but it does exclude 99-cent cards. I'm not sure what's all included, but I'm not sure if the 2 for $4 ones would work, but you guys could buy 4 of them, or you could buy 3 of them, pay $6, get that $5 register reward, making them each 33 cents each. I don't need any cards, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. In case you need some cards, you could go and chance it and see what happens. If you need some laundry detergent, we have the All, looks like it's $5.49 at buy 1 get 1 free. The Arm & Hammer is buy 1 get 1 free. We also have the Tide for buy 3 get 1 free. Some Bounce, buy 3 get 1 free. More All, buy 1 get 1 free. So a lot of laundry detergent that is buy 1 get 1 free. If you guys need some Suavitel, it is on this sale this week for $2.49. There is currently a 50-cent off digital coupon that you can use, making it just $1.99. My Fabuloso is also on sale for $2.49, and it's either one or the other for the coupon, but comes out to be just $1.99. Same thing with Palmolive. It is on sale this week for $2.49. We have that 50-cent off digital coupon, making them just $1.99. Here we have some 7th generation. We have all-purpose cleaner. We also have the wipes for $2.99. I did scan it. There is no digital coupons that are popping up. So you would buy 2 of them for $5.98, but then you get a $2 cash rewards when you purchase 2, making them $3.98 or just $1.99. Also, the ad showed that there was one that was $2.49, which I am not finding, but that ends up becoming just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Okay, you guys, I just looked in this aisle. They got their Halloween Squishmallows. I like Squishmallows, but I don't collect them. I like probably 2 of them. But look at this little Christmas one. And then look at you guys. They have an ocelot that's a Hershey Kiss. I think this is a Jelly Olga. This is like an octopus. Yeah. A Jolly Rancher. Then they have a Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. This is Tavinda. And then here we have Regina as a Hershey Kiss. Those things are adorable. So my summer stuff is showing that it is 70% off, but I said there might be a rumor that on the 6th, which is Tuesday, I think, that these might hit 90% off. We will see. We will see. Here we have some deals for some bumblebee tuna, you guys. So here we have these cans, 3 for $4, where you get 15 cents back. So here you'll get like, what, 45 cents back for that. Then we have the bumblebee tuna pouches where you get 25 cents back, so you'll get 75 cents back when you buy for that. And then we also have the chunk tuna. This is 99 cents, but you get 75 cents back when you buy that. So it just depends on what kind of tuna you want from Bumblebee Tuna. Now, I also did receive some digital coupons. I got like a $1 digital coupon for a can of Spam. I think I also got a digital coupon for some Hormel chili. So if you guys need any food items, definitely check out your food digitals if you go ahead and need some of those. If you guys have a hankering for some Butterfingers, these are on sale this week for just $1. We currently have a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta with a limit of 5. So you guys will get each of them for just 75 cents. So here we have the complete home storage bags. They have gone up in price, but these ones are still $2.79. They're currently buy one get one free, so you guys will just get these for $1.39. These are now $3.29 at buy one get one free, so those come out to be just $1.64. So still okay deal, but it's sad they're going up in price. So here's a great deal on Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. Right now these are 2 for $11 this week. Well, we did get a $2 off printable coupon, but when I scanned the product, I actually had 2 different digital coupons. I have a $2 off digital coupon, and I have a $3 off digital coupon. So I'm going to use both of those digital coupons. You're going to end up paying just $6 for the 2 of them, but then there is an Ibotta deal where you get $2 back with a limit of 5. So you'll get $4 back with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $1 each. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, it is a very slow week at Walgreens this week. Why? Because it is Labor Day weekend. Usually people are just so busy for like the whole week because school's starting and all that fun stuff, and there's no inserts that came out this week, so it is a slow week, but that is okay if you guys need to take a break. But I would definitely get some of these money makers if you guys can. So let's just dig in and share with you guys what I got. This is what I got. This is kind of sad. I tried walking through the store and showing you guys as many deals as I could, but that is all I got. But I am happy to say that the $5 register reward did print out for the Burt's Bees. It is kind of an unadvertised deal unless your store has tags on it. But I saw Savvy Coupon Shopper do this deal last week. She posted it on Instagram, so I'm like, we're gonna chance it and see what happens. So these are $3.49. I used 2 $5 off of 2 insert coupons that we got from our P&G last week. You would just pay $3.96 for 4 of these, okay? $3.96 for 4 of these. But when you bought the 4 of them, or actually I think if you bought 3, you get a $5 register reward. $5 register reward when you I bought 4 of them. And you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $1 back for each one. So I got $4 back with Ibotta, making this a $5.04 moneymaker, you guys. And I think there was a bonus. I didn't check what the bonus was, but there was a bonus for these, so I think I might get like 50 cents off of it. I don't know. But a $5.04 moneymaker just for 4 tubes of kids' toothpaste. That is awesome. So we did that. Then I got some Aveeno body wash. Now I think it has to be the one that says daily moisturizer. I didn't scan any other ones because my store has them locked up, and I just saw that it said daily moisturizer, so I just grabbed these. So these were 2 for $11. I had a $3 off digital coupon and a $2 off digital coupon. You would pay $6 for the both of these, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making these $2 or $1 each. Oh yes, you guys, yes. I also got the Colgate toothpaste. Now the Colgate toothpaste was $3.99. I used that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just get this for $3.98, but then there is a $4 register reward that would print out, making these absolutely free, or a 2-cent moneymaker. So yes, we're just getting moneymakers like crazy, you guys. Got the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. Now this was $2.99. Use that $1.50 off printable coupon or the digital coupon. You would just get this for $1.49, but then there is a $2 Ibotta rebate that you guys can do. This ends up becoming a 51-cent moneymaker. 51 cents. All right. Then I also got the Oral-B toothbrushes. You can mix and match however you want to do it. I just have so much toothpaste and that stuff goes so bad after a while. I'm like, why not get some toothbrushes? So these were $3 on sale this week. There is currently a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would end up just paying $4 for the 3 of these, but then that you get a $3 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them, making these just $1 or 33 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. Now, those were everything that I was gonna get. But then I had some register rewards that I kind of wanted to use, and everything that I had was kind of equally the same. So I needed some filler items, so I ended up just getting some Orbit gum. I love the smell of bubblegum. So these were 3 for $3. You'd pay $3 for it. But then there's a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, so I got 75 cents back, making these $2.25. So like I said, I got these because I was using a register reward, and most of the time you need a filler item. Some people say you don't do that anymore. I don't know, and I don't want to, like, I could chance it and just see what happens. But anyways, so I ended up getting that. Other than that, I think the deals that I did show you were pretty good. I just don't need a lot of that stuff, so that's why I passed on it. But my total was $11.24. Now keep in mind, I never paid that price. I paid with points, but when I tell you the price, it is what it is before points. So $11.24. I ended up, you guys, I got $12 just of register rewards. Just of register rewards, I got $12 of register rewards. I did receive 29 cents of points. Oh yeah, 29 cents. And then with Ibotta, I got $11 back. I got $4 back with the Burt's Bees. I got $4 back with the Aveeno. I got 75 cents back with the Orbit gum. And then I got $2 back with Arm & Hammer. And then I also had a 25-cent any receipt. So I got $11 back with Ibotta, making my final price just $12.05 moneymaker. I got everything for free. So make sure if you guys do need some items, get the stuff that you need or use the overage for stuff that you guys really need. Just wanted to help you guys on that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Help me get to my life goal. My life goal when I started YouTube was to get 100,000 subscribers. COVID slowed me down a lot, but help me out and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys are enjoying this. And I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.